Apparently, the room that we're in has views of the fireworks, which I'm super excited about. And actually, I can see over in the corner a little bit of the skyline.
Hello, what's up everybody? Today we have another room tour. These videos are very popular on our channel, and we have a whole playlist of all sorts of different room tours, but every single one of them so far has been Disney rooms. So this is our first room tour at a hotel or resort that is technically not a Walt Disney World resort, and I will explain some more about that in a second.
We would like to give a huge shout out to Mary and Jeff. They're the ones that helped us get this room. Two of our fans that listen to or watch our channel. They have been super helpful, super kind, super nice. We really appreciate you doing everything you have for us, and we're super excited to show off this 2-bedroom villa.
Absolutely. So neither one of us have stayed here before. However, we are currently at Club Wyndham, and Club Wyndham is a part of the Bonnet Creek resorts. If you don't know what Bonnet Creek is that strip of land, the only strip of land on Walt Disney World property that is technically not owned by Walt Disney World Company, I guess. I know that was a little confusing, but the point is that there's one road, one strip of land that is not owned by Walt Disney World Resort, and there's several resorts on the property. There's a Hilton, there's a Wyndham Grand, there's a, what's the name of that? Waldorf Astoria or something like that?
Waldorf?
Yeah, exactly, with big golf courses, and we're staying here at Club Wyndham, which is actually more of the villa type of timeshare resort. They have several huge pools, which we'll do some tours about that. We're going to do several videos, but we're going to showcase this 2-bedroom villa. So let's do this thing.
Alrighty.
So, right off the bat, we're going to bring you here.
We'll start off with the kitchen. I love this place, how homey and comfortable it is, but we have so much kitchen space. Comes with a coffee maker, a blender, you have your full kitchen supplies, which is always nice in a 2-bedroom villa. Like even, full set of steak knives, cutting boards, fridge, oven, all the amenities that you could ask for. We stocked up on snacks and drinks, so always highly recommend bringing those because that resort drinks and resort food can get quite expensive.
Yeah, absolutely. What I love about this is just space. I mean, very similar to the 2-bedroom villas you'll find on any of the big DVC Walt Disney World resorts. Full kitchen, plenty of space. Comes with a blender, which I'm definitely going to use for smoothies and not margaritas.
Oh, we have a toaster too.
Nice.
A little toaster, and there is our very own ice maker in the fridge, so you don't have to go down the hall and order that. Ignore the bottle of vodka that I had in there.
That's for someone else. So you have a dishwasher here as well, and as we come over here to the living room,
we have a really awesome space here for the living room. This actually reminds me a lot of our couch at home, like a little more hotel-y, but this, I believe, is a pull-out model. So in total, you have a king bed, you have 2 queen beds, and then you would have this pull-out couch available. Also, big old TV, and this nice patio. Just stopped raining. That's why I looked like a wet rat when I came in, because I got caught in the rain.
Nice big TV here too, with a dresser right below.
We have an enormous patio, so plenty of room, a little bit of fresh air. Apparently, the room that we're in has views of the fireworks, which I'm super excited about. And actually, I can see over in the corner a little bit of the skyline, some of the rails that they put up for that. So I am pretty sure. Oh, and actually, way over there too,
you can see Italy.
The swan and dolphin.
You can see Italy.
Oh yeah, you can see the peak of Italy.
Yeah, so that is the Skyliner heading over towards EPCOT right over there. So that just gives you an idea of the fact that this whole property is 100% on Walt Disney World. So it's right here. In fact, this is extremely close to Disney Riviera Resort, which is where we actually got engaged. I've done a number of videos over there, our favorite resort on property. So this whole area, really great area to be in. But anyways, let's continue the tour. We're going to walk this way towards the first bedroom. We'll save the master for last.
Always great closet space. They give you a little vacuum, recycle hangers, good stuff like that. And you have more space, washer and dryer. Always a positive here.
Yeah.
This would be the secondary bathroom, so you got, a nice tub if you ever want to stick the kiddos in there. Sink, toilet, of course, towels, and all those goodies are provided. Not something you see very often on Disney property nowadays. You do still get the individual shampoos and conditioners and mouthwashes, so that is always a plus.
They're coming for our fast passes and our shampoos.
How dare they? Okay, that light doesn't work.
Well, they keep you guessing with the lights.
Second bedroom here. So these actually, I said they were queens. I think these are actually full, so they look a
little bit smaller than queens, yeah.
But still can definitely fit 2 people in there, especially if you're Jared and I, who are collectively very small. And it's really nice.
Gonna hit that growth spurt soon.
You got some beautiful artwork. Nice view of the parking lot. I love it. But this will definitely come in handy at night when we get to see those fireworks.
Yeah. And another TV and a big size dresser in the room right here, which is great.
And of course, a big old closet in there as well.
And a big old closet. Now we're going to show you the main event, the master bedroom, which comes with a jacuzzi, little hot tub. Always my favorite feature of the 2-bedroom villas on Disney property. Here we are.
Yep, so we got our king size bed here. It's always a treat sleeping in a king size bed for us, because then I never have to touch and wiggle around and have to share a space. There's so much room.
Wow, tell me how you really feel about me.
No, we don't even touch each other when we're in this bed. We're so far apart.
And you love that.
I don't. I like this number. You're embarrassing me.
Okay, so this also comes with a TV and a full-size dresser. This dresser has a lot of space, as you can see. I mean, these drawers are pretty huge. That can fit like my whole arm. So yeah.
Wow.
Right over here, there's an alarm clock, and then more dresser storage, and another window out into the parking lot, as we mentioned earlier. If you look all the way to the left, you can kind of see the very top of the Swan and Dolphin, and in towards that EPCOT region. Now over here, heading towards the bathroom.
This is probably the best part of every resort for me, the master bathroom. Start off with a little jacuzzi tub here, which I am super excited to try out around 10:30 tonight. Looks like it has some jets in there, so we'll kind of figure out how it works, but really awesome. It actually even looks like it's meant to fit 2 people, so that will be a lot of fun. Little handicap bar. You do have a couple sinks in here. First sink is separate. Also want to mention that we have big mirrors in here, which is really nice. I always like checking out how I look before we go out. We have these dangerous things where I always look and pick at my face much more than I should. And then the secondary sink is in here with the shower. It's got glass door shower, stand up, which is always luxurious. So overall, I'm super impressed with, especially the bathrooms. It almost has a very homey feel, but still very nice and elegant and vacation-y.
Absolutely. Plenty of space in here. You can do all sorts of activities, run around, jumping jacks. Please don't do any of that. It is a bathroom after all, and I have a tendency of slipping. Yes, nice big shower. Come with all those towels and everything else. So yeah, and a huge mirror if you want to look at yourself. Wow, look at that.
We need one of these in our apartment.
So all in all, a beautiful space, plenty of room, and a great location. I mean, you really can't beat it. When it comes to staying on Disney property, but not staying in a very expensive DVC room, you really can't beat this.
This is a great option. Just kind of give you an idea of where it's located for anyone who really knows Disney. That big Disney Vacation Club sign with Goofy driving the van, it's that street right down the road from there. So if you head right down there, we're probably 5 minutes from Disney Springs, another 5 minutes from EPCOT, and that just makes it really accessible, and it's nice just because if you're not someone who enjoys staying on Disney-based hotels, maybe because of the affordability, this is another great alternative.
Absolutely. There's approximately 5 different hotels. There's miniature golf offered as well. They do karaoke. I will not be partaking in that. However, maybe the miniature golf. Anyways, we'll do a full resort tour as well as a pool tour, because that's usually our big 3 when we go to a resort. And we hope you guys check out those videos too. But if you're new to our channel, go check out some of our other resort tours. We've done resort tours, pool tours, and of course these room tours. Everybody loves these room tours. We try to go as in-depth as possible. We've done a number of Disney resorts, and we're super excited to kind of be branching off and doing some other stuff like this video.
So always stay tuned for more content. We got stuff coming out as often as we can. We are busy nowadays, you know, both working full time, but we try to get as many videos as possible for you guys, and we love doing it.
Absolutely. So check us out on YouTube, of course. Hit that subscribe button if you like this video. Tell us why. Comment down below. And if you want to check us out on other platforms, we're also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. TikTok is actually our most popular platform. We have 24,000 amazing followers over there, and we try to do lots of Orlando content. So come have fun with us. But anyways, we are the Date Hoppers, showcasing date nights, restaurants, resorts, and more around Central Florida and beyond. My name is Jared.
And I'm Molly.
And we'll catch you on the flip-flop.